Hi everybody, Kelly Richardson here, and today I want to show you my Luscious Leaf Bag. I was so thrilled with how this turned out. I would love you to join me in making a bag of your own. Now I'm going to take you step by step through the process of making this bag right from start to finish. There's 3 different sizes, so you can make whatever size suits you. I chose to make the largest size of the 3 that are available, and it is the perfect size for what I needed. Not so big that I carry a whole bunch of stuff that I don't need, but the perfect size to carry everything that I do need. I made it out of cork and batik, and it was my first time working with cork on an embroidery machine, and it stitches up beautifully. Now I have structured the videos in a way that if you are an abject beginner, no idea how to embroider, you've come to the right place, because I'm going to show you how to do that. So in the description of the video, there is a link for you to click on to purchase the designs from SweetPea. And again, if you're not quite sure how to do that, just watch video 1 and that'll walk you through the steps of how to do that. If you haven't already done so, I would appreciate you clicking the subscribe button on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel. And now, without any further ado, let's get started making this bag.